Hey guys, sorry for the 8-month break from YouTube, but glad to finally be posting a new video and add to the Gray Skies collection. This one will be a little more unique from my others, so enjoy the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's grab some information.
Southern Radio, Charlie Foxtrot, Yankee Papa Golf.
Yankee Papa Golf, Roger, runway 28, wind 310 at 8, altimeter 3011. Traffic is a Robinson helicopter, should be about 2 miles final for apron 2 inbound from the south. And squawk code is 1216. Roger, and the helicopter short final now, just overhead the threshold of 03.
Southern Radio, Yankee Papa Golf, on the roll, runway 28. They left turn towards Stratford area.
Yankee Papa Golf, Roger.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, beauty! You can see my breath, but it's really hot up here.
The sun.
She's beaten. I forgot my suntan lotion.
See where my house is?
Give me a second. It's not right there. She's got company.
Do you see
Not
her house?
funny.
Do you see her
That
house?
was scary. I do see your house. Oh!
Prom.
Oh, that's so cute! Wait, that's so cute. Of course I'll go to prom with you.
You want to go to prom with me?
Of course I do. That was really cute. Well, honestly, I kind of saw it coming. Wait, can we go back and look?
Yeah.
That was really cute.
Here, do you want to... Here, I'll take it out in a second.
I'm sweating. Wow, that was really cute. So pretty. I'm gonna get a picture on my phone. Oh, that's pretty. There's your house. What even is that?
It's kind of like Kool-Aid.
Yeah. The letters look really perfect.
Southern Radio, Foxtrot, Yankee Papa Golf is still over the Stratford area at 1,500 feet. Planning on turning back to the airport for a full stop landing.
Yankee Papa Golf, Roger, runway 28, wind 320 at 6, altimeter 3011. Traffic is a Cessna 340, 5 miles final. Simulated IFR approach, runway 21.
How was that?
That was fun, thanks.
You're welcome. Make a YouTube video.
Were you nervous?
Not really.
Did you think I'd say no?
Yep.
Really?
Yep. 100%.
No, you didn't.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is entering the circuit with a left base for runway 28 full stop.
Yankee Papa Golf, roger.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf turning the final runway 28 full stop.
Roger, wind 320 at 6.
320 on 6.
Oh, I see them.
Can't see anything.
Me neither.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is down on runway 28. We'll taxi via runway 28, 21, Charlie Alpha Apron 2.
Roger.
Speed bump.
Showtime Radio, Yankee Papa Golf is clear on Apron 2. Thanks for your help. Good day.
Roger, good day.
Cut.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. That's all we have for you today. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully we'll have some more videos for you later. No promises.